In today's video, we're going to look at 10 ways to appear more confident by adopting simple but effective body behaviors that signal confidence. These tips will be useful for everyone, and not only for those who suffer from social anxiety disorder that causes them to feel insecure in interactions with others. The great thing about all of these 10 behaviors is that once you start adopting them and making them part of you, you will then follow them spontaneously and effortlessly. And not only will they make you appear more confident, but you will actually feel more confident. Let's see now what these 10 behaviors are. 1. Make eye contact. Appear confident by maintaining eye contact in social interactions. Good eye contact shows others that you are interested and comfortable. Look the other person in the eye about 60% of the time. If direct eye contact feels too intimidating, start by looking at a spot close to the person's eyes. This is also important in romantic situations. Being able to maintain eye contact with the woman or man in front of you will make you look much more intriguing than if you don't. Be mindful though, while you want to show attention to the person in front of you, at the same time, you don't want to stare at her continuously or she may feel uncomfortable. Look away from time to time. 2. Lean forward. When you are in a conversation, leaning forward indicates interest and attention. While it can be tempting to maintain distance if you're socially anxious, doing so conveys the message that you are disinterested or aloof. Obviously, don't overdo it and respect other people's personal space, especially in this day and age. 3. Stand up straight. Don't slouch. Those with social anxiety tend to try and take up as little space as possible, which can mean sitting slumped over in a protective pose. Straighten your back, pull your shoulders away from your ears, and uncross your arms and legs. Focus on walking with your shoulders well back, and after a while, it'll come to you. This is an especially important point, a simple behavior that will make you look more confident as well as more attractive with minimal effort, whether you are a man or a woman. 4. Keep your chin up. Do you look at the ground when you're walking? Is your head always down? Instead, walk with your head up and your eyes looking forward. It might feel unnatural at first, but eventually you'll become used to this more confident pose. 5. Don't fidget. Fidgeting is an obvious sign of anxiety and nervousness. Appear more confident by keeping fidgeting to a minimum. Nervous movements draw attention away from what you're saying and make it hard for others to focus on your message. 6. Avoid your pockets. Though it can be tempting to shove your hands in your pockets, particularly if you're worried about them shaking, doing so makes you look more anxious and less confident. Keep your hands out of your pockets to look more self-assured. 7. Slow your movements. Fast movements make you appear more anxious. Everything from hand gestures to your walking stride can make a difference. Slow down and notice how you feel more confident. 8. Take larger steps. As you slow down, try to take longer strides when you walk. Confident people take larger steps and walk with authority. Doing so will make you feel less anxious. 9. Watch your hands. Be careful about touching your face or your neck. Both are indications that you feel anxious, nervous, or afraid. Confident people don't make these types of movements. 10. Give a firm handshake. How's your handshake? A weak or limp handshake is an obvious sign of a lack of confidence. So work on making sure that you offer a firm hand when meeting others. After practice, it will come naturally. When you shake someone's hand, give a firm handshake. This doesn't mean shaking too hard, because you might hurt the other person. But definitely avoid giving a weak or inert handshake, as not only is this an obvious sign of lack of trust, but it could be taken as a sign of disrespect. Make sure that you offer a firm handshake when meeting someone. Still not sure you can muster up the confidence to change your body language? Remember that you don't have to feel confident to change your behavior. Although it might feel strange at first, acting in a confident way will eventually feel more natural and might even boost your self-esteem. If you really need convincing, have a look at yourself on video. Your nervous habits and posture can be easily changed once you identify them. What about you? Which of these 10 points do you tend not to follow? And do you think it would actually help your sense of self-confidence? Let us know in the comments. If you liked this video, don't miss the video How to Improve Your Self-Esteem that you can find on this channel. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell if you haven't done so already, and wish you a wonderful rest of the day.